Hello everyone, welcome back in my channel. This is Christy Budgets. I am glad that you are here. Thank you so much for clicking on this video, and thank you so much for all of the new subscribers. Thank you so much, Shabash, for uh, mentioning my channel to get some additional subscribers. Thank you so much. The birth journey, I'm grateful. And so yeah, let's have another video, guys. It's a continuation of the previous video. So I have this one. I hope that you still enjoyed my previous cash stuffing bill condensing, which was, I think it went wrong. Gone wrong. Yeah, very wrong siya. Okay, so we have 10, 20, 35, 7, 8, 9, 41, 43, 45, 47, 48, 48, 49, 50, 51. We have 51 pesos. We're working with 51 pesos. Ayan. And then we'll see which challenge will get this money. Yeah. So we have rainy day. Then we also have what's this? Sunflower, school, birthday, and the last one is Christmas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so I just get my dice. Yeah. Okay. So same method. We will use a dice and then roll it, and then if it goes to 6, then I will choose whatever challenge I want. Okay, so let's start. Okay, we have 6. Okay, let's do rainy day. And then another one, rainy day. 6. Let's do no, let's just do that one. Okay. Sunflower. Then 5, Christmas. Another one, rainy day. Then 6, let's do school. And then 5, Christmas. 5 again, that is Christmas. We also have 5 again for Christmas by Row Budget. And then 2, sunflower. And then we have 6. Let's use 2, 5 for birthday. And then 6 again. So another one for school. We have 3, which is school. And then we have 5. Okay. Okay, so let's put this aside. Okay, so we have rainy day. For rainy day, we have 1, 2, 4. We only have 4. Just see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 2, 2, 3. Okay. Okay, let's see. 1, 2, 4, 5, 6, 7. And I can actually add another 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So we can color another icon. So my coloring pencil. Can color another icon. one. We have one left. Okay. For this one, I will be putting this on at the front so I can recognize that I am over with 1 pesos here. Okay, rainy day is done. Next one is sunflower. Okay, I have 3 pesos in sunflower, but let me check if I have some smaller bills here. Okay, I don't have anything. Okay, that means that I cannot color another petal with this one. The next one is okay. So school got 22. So I have 60 here. So each icon is 5. So I can cross 4. So this one can clearly. Let me just use a red mark pencil. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have 20 added here, and then I have a left over. I am over with 2. So next one naman is birthday. Okay, by this I can color one icon. Let's see, I have so 1, 2, 5. We have 5. Another one. Color this one balloon, which is 5 pesos, and that. Okay, I should have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. I should have how much is that? 14. I'm bad at math. So 14 times 5, 70. It's just that it's just as I thought. So add is added. We'll add the 5. Then let's see. Let's put this aside. 1. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 65, 7, 68, 9, and 70. So I have 70. And I am over with 2 for this challenge. Okay, next one is this one, Christmas Savings Challenge, which we got started last time. We have 10, 12, 14, 16. So 16. 16? Is it 16? No, 17. I can color 5. 3. I know. Like, sige. Each icon pala is 10. So I can only color one icon. So let's use this train. Yeah. So 10. And I have 2, 4, 6, 7. We'll put it on the top so I can easily recognize now that this needs to be filled. Added, I need to add 3 pesos for that. Okay. So yeah, that's it. Okay, so another challenge. So we have stopped these challenges and with the leftover money, and now we are done with this. And I'm liking this paper, hair clip actually, but I'm using this as a hair clip, a paper clip for now. Okay, yeah. Okay, thank you so much, guys, for watching this short video. I really appreciate all of you. Thank you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.